Hi all, welcome to Math Easy. In today's video, we are going to discuss about finding percent of a number. Consider the example, you are given say 20% of 160. Percent means always at the denominator you have to write the number 100. So 20% means 20 by 100. Of means times 160. So if you get a question like 20% of 160, you have to write it as 20 by 100 times 160. Now there are two ways of doing it. One is by the cancellation method and the other one is by the straight multiplication method. Now in this case we will first see the cancellation method. Cancellation means you can see you have two zeros in the 100, you have two zeros at the top numerator. So simply cut the zeros. You are left with 1, 2 and 116. Now simply multiply 2 times 16. We don't have anything at the denominator, just 1. So just leave it as such. Now 2 times 16 is going to be 32. So this is the cancellation method. And the other method, as I told you, is the straight multiplication method. In that case, instead of cutting directly, we will first multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. 160 can be written as 160 by 1. It's the same as 160. Now you multiply 20 times 160. 20 times 160 is going to be 3200. 3 to 2 zeros. And then divided by 100 times 1 is going to be 100. So 32,000 by 100, that is going to be equal to 32. So this is by direct multiplication method. Consider the example, 95% of 200. This can be written as 95 by 100 times of is times 200. Now you have two zeros here, two zeros here. So by cancellation method, you can simply cut the zeros. Now you are left with 95 times 2. So we are going to multiply 95 times 2. 5 2s are 10, balance 1, 9 2s are 18, plus 1, 190. So the 190 is going to be the answer. Consider the example, 150% of 9. As you know, percentage means the denominator will have a number 100. So 150% means 150 by 100. Of means times 9. Now you can see in the numerator we have 1 0, in the denominator we have 1 0. So simply cancel it out. Now you are left with 15 by 10 times 9. Now you know 15 and 10 both are divisible by 5. So 5 2s are 10. So I am cutting it. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 15 divided by 5, it's going to be 3. So 3 by 2. Now you are left with the numbers 3 by 2 times 9. And what is 3 times? Now we can't cut anything. So simply multiply, straight multiplication. You know 9 by 1 is same as 9. Now multiply the numerators. 3 times 9, it's going to be 27 divided by 2 times 1, that is going to be equal to 2. So 3 times 9 divided by 2 times 1. 3 times 9 is equal to 27. 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Now 27 by 2 is the fraction form. Let us convert it to decimal form. So 27 divided by 2. It goes 1 times, 2 minus 2, 0, 7, 3 times, 6, 10 times, point. Since we have put 0, we have to put a decimal over here. Then 5 times 10, 0. So the decimal form of 27 by 2 is going to be 13.5. So 150% of 9, the answer is going to be equal to 13.5. Now let's see what is 10% of 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is going to be 0. So, it's the same for percentage also. 10% of 0, simply the answer is going to be equal to 0. Now, let's see some more examples for the straight multiplication. Okay, 12% of say 50. 12% means 12 by 100 of is times 50. Now we are going to do not the cancellation but the straight multiplication. Here 50 can be written as 50 by 1. That is equal to 12 times 50 divided by 100. 12 times 50 is going to be 600. 600 divided by 100, that is going to be equal to 6. 600 by 100 is going to be 6. So, instead of the cancellation, we can also do a straight multiplication. We will see one more example for the straight multiplication. 23% of 8, which means 23 by 100 times 8. 8 can be written as 8 by 1. This means this is equal to 23 times 8 by 100 times 1. Now what is 23 times 8? 23 times 8, 8 3s are 24, 8 2s are 16 plus 2, 18. 184 divided by 100. In this case, there are 2 zeros in the denominator. For the 100, we have 2 zeros. So, what you need to do is, from the right, move 2 points to the left, which means this is going to be equal to 1.84. That is, when there are 2 zeros, start from the ones position, that is the extreme right. So, 1, 2. Since 2 zeros are there, you are moving the decimal from right to left 2 points, 1, 2. So, that is why we got it as 1.84. Hope you have understood about finding percentage of a number in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to Math Easy channel and push the like button. Thanks for watching.